Hey guys, today I'm doing another bike check, and I got some new. I got new promo pedals. Yeah, I gotta put new bearings these because they suck balls, but they're really nice. And got a Quadro back hub, and promo the wall tire, which is really good. It says in pocket, and I don't know for a long time. A Haro sprocket, and I think it's a KMC chain. Anyways, everything you see there is Haro, even the seat post and the seat mounts, which is heavy. Blue cranks, which are also Haro. Dan's comp sticker. I got a Haro headset, stem, which I shaved that off, and a Haro regular standard size headset. And I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I got a Joe Dirt front tire and Tony Hawk pig. Yeah, it's Tony Hawk, so it's hush. But for Christmas, I'm hopefully getting a, what's it called? I'm not sure, but a plastic pig. And yes, this looks really crappy right here. It's because my stem bolt, it cracked in half, and the plate I had under it was too large, so I wanted to screw back in, so I just had to get an extra seat post mound clamp thing, so to use that. Yeah, that's about it. And it's a me sticker. Yes, I know that's a skate shop, so it looks kind of messed up. And I'm running brakeless because I took off my brakes. And that's about it for now. Oh, and animal grips, animal Edwin grips, which they're really messed up. And animal freaking, what's that called? Bar end. Yeah, bar end. So that's my bike. Hope you like it. And that's it. If you haven't subscribed, do so yet, please. And also, I just learned how to grind. So hopefully, when I get my back one, I can do a double pay grind. And that'll be my new edit this Saturday. Yeah, this Saturday. And it's in my yard. This will also be my edit. Right there. Is there many pieces? Oh, there it is. That ladder right there. That's what I practice on for grinding. Because it's metal and it works really good. And these grips, like, really grippy. And that's why they're all worn off. It's the only thing I don't like about it, because how worn off they get. And also, like, if you ride with gloves, which I did for like a half hour today, turns your whole grips black, because they're just really, really grippy, like I said. So, yeah.